Alright, what's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be doing the Galaxy S23 Ultra unboxing. So, I ripped all the shipping labels off of this thing for obvious reasons. And I just need to get a knife. It's always good to have these in handy. Balisong. That's the fucking bite handle. What am I doing? I think the top of it's here. It's really hard since there's no shipping label anymore. Let's open this thing up. Order confirmation, we'll just do that. So, reveal any info. This is the packaging. I got a lot of packaging. Well, that's a good thing, actually. Taking that seriously. But I'll just use that when I reship my old phone. Here's the phone. This is a pretty cool design they have on the front. Or the, not the phone, but the box it comes in. Put this aside. Put that away. Actually, I might need it still. So, I need to get a new phone because I have a problem. I don't know if you can see here, but my fucking phone screen spiderwebbed and then the OLED's damaged. So, I thought it's just best just to trade it in and upgrade to a new one. I mean, it's not like, this is like a 2.5-year-old phone. This is the Galaxy Note 20 from 2020. I mean, I didn't really want to upgrade to this, but now I kind of have to. Because my phone just decided to crack. I didn't even drop it or anything. But anyways, that's that. So, let me get this box open here. Did not quite get it? Apparently not. Right away, we got this. Right, here's the phone. Yeah, and I got the 512 gigabyte Lime edition. I got a good deal on this. This is the best part, the most satisfying part is peeling this off. You only get to do it once. Alright, so I got that. Is there any other plastic? I love how there's like no bullshit with the plastic. It's very nice. Alright, so that's what it looks like. But yeah, I got the 512 gigabyte version because it costed just the same as the 256 gig. Alright, there we go, it's booting up. It actually feels just amazing in the hand. Honestly, if I take the case off of my Note here, I actually do prefer this over this, the feel. It feels just so premium. Alright, so we're going to start in English because I speak English. Let's just agree to all that. Well, except for the optional shit. So I can set up using another device. So I just need to use the QR code to set this up. I don't know if this is going to transfer all my information. It wants me to do it again. And this has a lot less curve of an edge. A lot less curved of an edge. Samsung doesn't really do that as much anymore. Probably people got complaints about it. No, I need to do my fingerprint on here. I only got 48% battery on here. I already connected to the internet here, which that's cool. But yeah. So this is just the S23 Ultra unboxing. I thought I'd show you guys it. It's a really nice phone. I really love it. Got the S Pen. It's black, but that's fine. I don't care. But yeah, I'm really gonna enjoy this device. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what other content you want to see. If you want to see more skiing videos, obviously ski season's over, so we won't be seeing that for a little while. I guess maybe I could do some spring ones. You know, there are some resorts that are open in the late spring. But let me know what other content you'd like to see, more unboxing videos, or I think I like to do some hiking videos. So I'll probably start doing that soon. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.